Hello, how are you today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be reviewing the Stokes Voltaics E-Kite EV charger. First, we will have a look at the awesome packaging. I just love the black and white with blue aesthetic. It makes for a really good presentation. Kind of puts you in the mind of Apple's packaging. As we open the box, we find really nice materials inside. On the inside of the top, there is a really nice foam material inside of the lid, and a totally expensive feeling and looking felt material on the top portion of the base foam, which holds the charger in place. It's really nice. 10 out of 10. Stokes Voltaics presentation is top tier. I can't stress enough how much effort went into presenting this product as a premium device. First, inside we have the accessory box. The accessory box contains 3 E-Kite charging NFC cards. Without these, you cannot start the charging of your vehicle, as no other means of starting the charger are given. As far as I can tell, there is no push button or app in which to power on or off the device. It can only be started and stopped by these cards. I have had the device for a couple of weeks now, and only once have I forgotten to swipe the card in order to start the charger, which I will demonstrate later on in the video. These access cards are also of really high quality and seem as though they would last a very long time, especially if you keep them in these plastic seals that they come inside. They are not metal but seem to be made of a really high quality carbon fiber material. And the NFC in them is strong enough to work through my wallet. Also in the box you get a rather simple user manual, but it gets the job done as it contains enough information to install and use the device, but nothing more. Next, on to what else we have inside the box. The charger is of a really nice quality material and is quite heavy. Here we have the charging cord, which according to the website is a 26-foot cord. The cord is also of very high quality, with the standard NEMA 14-50 plug. Speaking of this, the specs of the device are listed here for your convenience. This is also assembled of really high quality materials. I will show you the completed assembly in the end when I demonstrate the charging steps. It is a 2-piece charger holster and fits together like so. Also inside are all the accessories needed for installation. And finally in the box is just the back mounting plate. Now on to show you the completed assembly and operations.